welcome, Jason!
Thank you very much.
Yun lang pala talaga hinaantay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi,
Jason.
Welcome back on stage.
Diba ang look natin na wala tayong salamin?
Salamin.
Oh, ba't parang emotional ka rin ngayon? What's wrong?
Kasi nasabit po.
Oo, alam niya, no, na sumabit. Bilib ako sa kanya
Oo.
for recognizing.
Alam niya eh.
Oo.
Gift
It
of
happens
ears.
on stage. It happens on stage.
All
Diba?
performers, nangyari yan sa lahat. Pinakamagagaling, sumasabitin kami. Pero may tanong ako sa'yo, Jason. Naisip mo sa edad mong yan, at dahil lang sa isang audition, magkakaroon ka ng Jay Zanians na nagmamahal sa'yo dyan.
Did you ever expect na magkakaroon ng Jay Zanian?
Hindi po kasi po. I didn't expect po na ganito po yung kalayo yung mararating ko po. Semifinals na po ito, malayo na po to. Okay na po to sa akin kahit hindi po ako matanggap.
Okay. On that note, it is time to hear from our judges.
Oh, friendship, kanina sinabi mo na pag maganda yung performance mo, naiiyak ka.
Oo.
Yung mga times na nakalimutan mo yung lyrics na medyo madalas mangyari.
Parati kong ginagawa yun.
Oo, ano? Naiiyak ka din?
Hindi. Sanay na yung audience. Matawa na lang sila. At tinatanggap nila ako na ganun ako. Pero alam mo, ang galing mo kasi ang lakas ng loob mo na talagang inamin na sumabit ka and
Oo.
pinahanga mo ko sa part na yun. Congratulations.
Honesty, di ba?
Yes.
And I think the best performers to Jason, meron talagang realization of where they're good and where they fail. At yun ang lalong magpapatibay sa'yo at lalo ka pang huhusay with age because magaling ka talagang magkilala ng sarili mo.
That's right.
Yan ang talent.
Tama.
Sir FMG?
Jason, magandang boses mo. Your selection of music is right. Pero sumabit ka, no? So, it's really up to the audience who would vote for you if they want to give you a chance to be in the finals.
Thank you, Sir FMG. Are you okay, Jason? Let's go na sinabi. It is up to the audience. Kaya kung gusto niyo pang magtuloy-tuloy ang climb ni Jason to the top, then all you have to do is text or vote for him. All you have to do is type in PGP space Jason.
Ulitin ko po, PGP space JZAN. Your vote counts, mga kapamilya. Jason, okay lang yun. The show must go on.
It
Thank
happens,
you very
bro.
much, ha? Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Good luck sa'yo.
Thank you very much, Jason.